What's going on, y'all? LBNF Souls here, coming at you guys with another unboxing. Today I have 5 packages. I have one from Uniqlo. I have 2 from Stefaniuk. Shout out the Real Ray 20. And then 2 Nike sneakers unboxings. I have opened one of them, and then also one of the mystery boxes from Stefaniuk. Opened up when I peeled the packing slip off. So that is open, but I didn't see inside of it yet. So let's get right into it. First, I'm going to go with the Uniqlo stuff. The Uniqlo Murakami Billie Eilish stuff. I believe I got the whole men's collection. All in a size large. I don't think I'm keeping all of them, but like this yellow one and probably this black one right here, I will be keeping. The rest of them will probably be up for sale. Next, I'm going to go with the mystery box that's already open from Stefaniuk, the Real Ray 20, for the people who remember. So the first tee out looks like a Polaroid style with his brand. This is an XL. Then it looks like a college tee, also with his last name on it, also in an XL. Then we have a little Retro 6 keychain right here. As well as a little thanks for shopping card with his website on the back. I believe that is everything in the box. Yep, that's it. Alright, I'm going to go into the Nike sneakers unboxing right here. Got a pair of Jordan 1s. Size 5.5. Check them out. Dead stock pair of the Royal Toes from Sneakers. And I did end up picking up a 10.5 in the Royal Toes for my personal collection. So here's a 10.5. Dead stock Royal Toes. I'm considering buying more pairs, but they keep rising, so I'm not really sure what I'm going to do there. Alright, and then I'm going to open up this heavily damaged package, also from the Real Ray 20, also known as Stefaniuk now. Alright, so we got one of his little stickers, says socially distant. His card, again. 2 tees. looks like an off-white Chicago keychain. Feel Real logo. That's in a medium. Oh, I like this one. New York tee, also a medium. I do like this tee a lot. Shout out the Real Ray 20. And then this is also a package from Sneakers. It is not another pair of Royal Toes or Blue Toes or whatever you want to call them, so don't worry. Alright, good. The box isn't damaged. I was worried. Size 8. Jordan 13 Flint. I didn't think I was going to like these, but the suede on here is actually really nice. Alright, that's everything from today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please stay tuned for more. I will be trying to get a mystery box with hype shoes and clothing. I might end up going, I'm not really sure which route I'm going to take. If I want to go to like Laced Up and get a mystery box from there, or some of the other websites, but I will keep you guys updated. I will have another video coming out for you guys soon. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. LBNF Souls, I'm out. I appreciate y'all.